So you guys can see right here, this article from Benzinga was produced on the 14th of February, so a couple of days ago. Nvidia rally at risk. Short seller Jim Chanos says that's bad if true. What is he talking about? That if it's true, it could be bad. After analyst spots potential red flag again. All of that simply to place us on notice that something could potentially happen in Nvidia, at least from one person's perspective. So we're not going to place all of Nvidia's potential off of what one analyst thinks. Even short seller Jim Chanos, we look at the market overall. Now, these articles are usually produced when a stock is massively gaining traction or is going higher. Let's put that out first. You won't see these type of titles if the stock was going down or if it was plummeting or in a bear market. You would not even see these articles. So just off the face of this article alone, you already know that Nvidia has been doing a fantastic job of increasing its value to its shareholders. Now, with everything, all things must come to an end. So you begin to see these articles come out maybe to signify a apex or a climax as to how high price is going to go in Nvidia. But then understand the market will be the great decider as if that is true or not. You guys got me. So check this out. Nvidia has enjoyed a triumphant rise this year, securing the 5th highest valuation for a publicly listed company globally. However, as the stock price continues to seemingly unstoppable climb, concerns flicker amidst the optimism. Oh, okay. Now, at the heart of the debate lies an observation made by UPS analyst Timothy Arcuri. So this is the one person that I told you that apparently is seeing a red flag. And he's trying to tell his subscribers, his listeners, the one that he writes his analysts to, that there could be something going on with Nvidia. After checking with customers, Arcuri reported a decrease in lead times for Nvidia chips, indicating available shipment slots in the latter half of 2024. Arcuri interpreted this as upside potential for shipments and revenue. Even after saying normally this is bad. Hold on. So the way that he comprehends this is that there is upside potential for shipments and revenue. That's a good thing. Even after saying normally this is bad, that's a bad thing. Why? Shortened lead times traditionally paint a less rosy picture, often suggesting waning demand. Oh, okay. So, decrease in lead times translate to upside potential for shipments and revenue. Shortened lead times traditionally paint a less rosy picture, often suggesting waning demand. All of those hyperboles, those words that really doesn't carry any weight. And I'm talking about potential, traditionally, suggesting. Those words doesn't carry any weight. It's more or less straddling the line. It could, maybe it will, maybe it won't. In this particular situation, it more than likely, like, all of those are probabilistic words, pretty much letting us know that we got to do more research. Now, this has spurred or sparked a debate online, drawing a blunt no. That's bad if true. This is what Jim Chanos is saying. So Arcuri is kind of like straddling the fence, saying it could be a bad thing, but it necessarily doesn't mean it will be bad. And then here comes Jim coming and saying, no, it is bad if it's true. Now, Jim is renowned for his successful short bets on companies like Enron and Tesla. He comes in and short stocks looking for the market to lose value. So if he's going to be blunt in saying that, look, if what Arcuri is saying is actually true, it's time to short Nvidia. That's what Jim is trying to say if he's being blunt about it. Mizuho Securities analyst Vijay shared Arcuri's findings, confirming shorter lead times for Nvidia's flagship H100 AI accelerator chips. However, he emphasized the continued tightness of supply and robust demand. Wait, hold up. See, now you guys can see everyone's opinion about one business, Nvidia. This is where the value is being created in the stock market. Because everyone is placing bets on, okay, what's going to happen with the demand of these Nvidia chips? Will it continue to go up? Will it continue to go down? You got people placing bets that it's going to be a good thing, that's going to be a bad thing. What is it going to do to the stock price? What is it going to do? Who do you follow? Who do you listen to? See, for me, I don't pay attention to one individual, whether it's Arcuri, whether it's Mizuho, whether it's Jim Chanos. I look at the market as a whole, because that is where all or each of these individuals' thoughts and perceptions are being listed. Because rightfully so, we got a couple of people in the camp of saying that Nvidia is going to go down. We got some people think that Nvidia is going to continue to go up. And that is where the tug of war is going on between the market. And if we can participate on the right side, whether it's higher or lower, we can profit from the move. That's what we do. We could care less about the team. We just want to be on the winning team. That's it. Earnings is due to be released in Nvidia real soon. Matter of fact, tomorrow, I think. Here it is. Yeah, the 21st, tomorrow. The reaction of the market will definitely tell us who wants it more. Is it the short sellers like Jim Chanos, or is it Arcuri, or the people at Mizuho, like those individuals, those analysts? Who wants it more? That is what this all boils down to. Which one is getting positioned for the outlook of what the value of Nvidia is going to be going forward into the rest of 2024. So don't get bogged down on the particular individual or the analyst or the business that is dropping these recommendations. Just look at the price of the stock, because that is where value is. The buys and the sell, the combining of the buyer and the seller together to agree on price. That is where the value is. Okay. Not what Jim Chanos says, not what Mizuho is saying, not what Arcuri is saying. It doesn't even matter what they say, as is what they do. That is more important. And what I mean by what they do, I'm talking about, okay, are they selling this market or are they buying the market? You can only get two things out of this. And apparently it looked like there's been more buying than there's been selling in Nvidia as of this moment. Now, at some point, it's going to stop. At some point, the top is going to be in Nvidia. There's a couple of people think that the market's going to run to $900, $1,000 before it tops out. Who knows? But as of right now, we all can see that the market is bullish. So let's see what happens at the earnings tomorrow. And then hopefully I could come back and drop another price prediction for the market in Nvidia. But go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.